On this channel and in every beginner's investing guide, we've talked about the golden rule for safety: diversification. Spreading your investments is a smart, proven way to protect your capital and grow it steadily. For 99% of investors, this is the correct, safe, and final advice. But have you ever asked why the people who build generational fortunes, the billionaires, the empire builders, almost never follow that rule during their wealth creation phase? That's because you've only been given half the playbook. Diversification is a shield. It's for capital preservation. It's what the rich use to stay rich. But a shield alone will never win you the war. To build the fortune in the first place, they use a different weapon entirely: concentration. Think about it. Bill Gates didn't get rich by owning a little bit of Microsoft, a little of Apple, and a little of IBM. He poured everything into Microsoft. Jeff Bezos didn't build Amazon by also hedging his bets on bookstores and retail. He went all in. They used focused, concentrated conviction to build their empires. The system teaches you how to protect a small fortune. It doesn't teach you how to build a large one. This is the antidote. This is the two-step formula for wealth creation. Step 1. Define your arena. You must find one single industry or company that you can understand better than 99% of other people. This is your circle of competence. This is where you have a home field advantage. Deep knowledge is the only thing that transforms a concentrated bet from a gamble into a calculated strike. Step 2. Wield the sword. Once you have that deep conviction, you don't diversify your best idea into obscurity. You make a significant, concentrated investment. While the diversified masses are guaranteed an average return, your focused capital is positioned for an explosive asymmetric upside. This is the secret. Diversification is the lock on the vault. Concentration is the key that fills the vault in the first place. You're being taught how to lock an empty room. First, learn to protect your capital with the shield of diversification. But when you find that once-in-a-lifetime opportunity within your circle of competence, you must have the courage to pick up the sword.